Amigas, here we are with...
I'm Blackstone Betty. Come on, Karina.
Now you guys should know that. We're going to make some Mexican. We're going to make some...
I thought I was bad.
some Mexican street corn dip. It's super delicious, super easy to make.
And this one is a must for summer, and I can't wait to try yours.
Let's do it. Start off by adding our corn to the griddle, amigas. We're gonna open this up. I'm using frozen corn because if you use corn that's not frozen, it's going to be all mushy and squishy, so you want frozen corn. I learned that yesterday. Thank you, Tato. We're gonna let it char just a little bit to get it perfect.
We're gonna let it what?
Char? Is it char or
char?
We're gonna let it char. This is why Betty is on the show today.
Except if you watch my show, I am the same exact way. It's just, it's like watching myself.
This is fun. Betty, so now we're going to add everything that's going to go in our corn dip to a bowl.
Into a bowl. What are we doing first?
So let's go in with our veggies.
Jalapeños and some green onions.
Yes, some serranos, some green onions.
So is that it? You call jalapeños serranos?
So the big green ones are regular jalapeños. The thin green ones are serranos. So those are spicier than regular jalapeños. Go. Now we could add our onion.
White onion.
And some cilantro.
All of the cilantro?
Maybe more like half. There you go.
Good.
Beautiful.
What else?
Perfect. Okay, now we could add some mayo to the bowl.
You can go with Duke's mayo.
What is Duke's mayo?
I like Hellman's.
Is that
I like Hellman's too.
Okay.
We'll have them vote at home.
Okay. What do you prefer? Duke's or... I don't want to say it wrong.
Hellman's. She wants sauce.
Let's add some sour cream. We want this super drippy. Amiga. So let's add some sour cream. Let's add that cheese.
That's what I think you're trying to say. You want it to be super cheeseful.
Yeah, it's super cheeseful. Some pepper jack cheese.
And some mozzarella.
Yes. Also, guys, if you hear some yard work going on, we're in Tampa. They're always doing yard work around here, so.
CJ's got a noisy house.
Now we can add our chopped green chilies. At this point, amigas, we're gonna finish this part off with a little bit of lime, garlic powder, paprika, tequila lime seasoning, some tajin, salt, black pepper, cotija cheese. I think we should give it a taste. Should we? I already did.
I feel like you're missing one thing.
Oh.
The Philly cream cheese.
Amiga, you're right. I'm missing the Philly cream cheese.
I love that you forget ingredients.
Yeah, this is, I don't, but it's fun.
It's fun. That's why cooking together is more fun.
Now that our corn is nice and charred, let's pull it off the griddle and give it a good mix.
One more mix? You want me to?
Do the honors, Betty. All right, Betty, we could add this to the cast iron now so we can start cooking it up. Our pizza oven is set to 425. We're gonna set it in here for 20 minutes, but we're gonna be checking on it to make sure it's getting nice and gooey, but crispy at the top, amiga. Perfect, Betty. Let's get it into the oven. Our corn is ready, amigas. We gotta get it out the pizza oven, but it's a little heavy. So Andy, can you please come and help me?
Oh, I got you.
Yes. Ooh, that looks so good.
Oh gosh. Hold on.
We got a strong man over here.
Oh no, I don't know about that. Oh Lord. Ooh, hot. Oh Lord, it's hot.
Beautiful.
We did it.
Thank you. Ah! Woo! He's strong. Amigas, it's ready. Now let's add our chips, our cotija cheese, some cilantro, and our jalapeños. And let's not forget, our postas is a must, like CJ says, some tequila lime seasoning right on top. Ready to taste it, Betty?
I cannot wait. I love a good dip.
Ooh.
A party dip.
I'm just gonna dip it right in.
That's what you want it. That's the cheese. You want it.
Ooh, yummy. Well, you know, Andy helped us out today. So Andy, come and try it with us.
Oh, okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's good.
So good. What did you say? You ate it?
So you ate that up.
You ate that up. I'm cool like the kids.
Amigas, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Blackstone Products YouTube page. Bye. Love you guys.